But my mom, she was able to co-sign for me with like 15% interest.
To be honest with you, I got locked up like maybe 2 or 3 years ago.
This is a 2023 Land Rover Defender. We've had it for 6 months and for some reason we just can't sell the car.
$1,300 a month and $25,000 upside down on a Kia. I bought one to save money. She had other ideas. If you're new, I'm Mike, and here we talk about money, cars, avoiding debt, and keeping more of your paycheck. If that sounds good, hit that like and subscribe button and drop a comment.
Hey Stephanie, how are you? This is Yusuf.
Hey Yusuf, how you doing?
I'm doing good. I am calling on your 2021 Kia Telluride that you're trying to trade in for our 2018 Toyota Highlander Limited. Not a good looking deal, but tell me what you got.
The Kia has about 47,000 miles on it right now. Bought it for around 39,000. Yeah, I did 12,000 rolled over actually. And then I added warranty to the car too. So
just a mere 12,000, right? Rolling over into
I know it's crazy. I know. I added warranty and out the door, it almost ended up being like 60K.
Not a chance I would pay $60,000 for a Kia. Rolling in negative equity, added warranties, and she's increased the price by a third. An extra $20,000, and she's calling to see if she can do it again.
But my mom, she was able to co-sign for me with like 15% interest. So I pay like $1,300 a month. I broke over my end and I need something cheaper. And I saw the 2018 Toyota Highlander. Yeah, I need to find something cheaper.
All right, I'm gonna be honest with you. Here says you owe $54,000. You owe paying $1,300 a month. You're gonna have to put between $25,000 and $30,000 down because you still have to have some money down for the new vehicle with you. So you just kind of put yourself in a really tough position now. And the smart way to play this is just to pay the vehicle off as quick as possible.
Now, we've seen some bad monthly payments on this channel, but $1,300 a month for a Kia has to be one of the worst. You add in fuel, insurance, maintenance, she's got to be paying close to $1,700 a month to drive that.
Or you have a good car that will be able to be refinanced. I mean, Stephanie, there's nothing I can do for you.
Yeah, so I might just stick with the Kia for now, huh?
Yeah, stick with the Kia for now. Like I said, just pay it off as quick as possible. Even, I mean, your credit, I'm assuming, is still bad with the repos. Even if you had good credit to roll over into a lease, you will still have a high payment. So negative equity technically doesn't go away. It just rollovers into the rebates and incentives, but you are still financing a lot or a high amount throughout that lease, so you still have a high payment.
It amazes me that people can finance a car, realize it's too expensive after, and think that buying or leasing another vehicle is the solution. How do you not know it's too expensive when they tell you what the monthly payment is?
Don't buy any more cars, Stephanie. Listen, I'm gonna sell you a car if you're really adamant about it, but I'm giving you genuine advice. There's no point in you trading in because right now you're still gonna have a high payment unless you have a pretty big chunk down.
I really wanted some fancy features and I needed a bigger car.
Well, fancy features, bigger car came with a bigger price tag and a bigger payment. So now you got a bigger headache to deal with. So bigger isn't always better.
That is true. I appreciate that. Thanks, Yusuf.
As always, he gives great advice, and it's not always about money with him. It's Ride with Yusuf if you want to check him out. She wanted fancy features, and now she's stuck overpaying for something she can't afford. No Kia is worth $1,300 a month. Before I paid mine off, my payment was around $289.
I wanted to get into a vehicle. Do you have any like Honda Accords or anything like that? Nissan Altimas, something cheap.
Since we are a chain location, even if I don't have one here in Linden, I can check my other locations and have one brought over.
Okay. A little backstory though. For me, it was the first time I'll be buying a car with my name. I've been looking around. I actually, to be honest with you, I got locked up like maybe 2 or 3 years ago.
At least he's looking for something cheap. Usually with these clips, it's somebody looking for a high-end luxury vehicle with bad credit. But finally, somebody looking for something reasonable.
I just got out. I've been out for maybe 9 months. I'm a recovering addict right now.
Well, congratulations for recovery.
Thank you.
How long have you been sober?
It's about it's like a year now.
Good for you. It's hard, but just keep fighting the fight.
Yeah, it's tough. For the last 5 years, I don't even remember it.
I'm so sorry, but I'm glad you're getting through it. Now you're looking for a car?
Yeah.
Is it going to be for pleasure, commute? Like, what are we looking for?
Oh, really all the above. I'm really looking there for work. Started my new job.
Okay. How long have you been working there?
I've been working there for about 8 months.
8 months. That's really good. Okay.
I was able to get my CDL license and while I was locked up, working for trucks, selling transport and stuff.
So are you more interested in a truck type of vehicle or a sedan?
I just wanted something that was good on gas. I didn't really need the flashy or anything like that right now. I just wanted to build my money up and then maybe I'll get into something like that. But right now I just wanted to get something to get around with. Something with 4 wheels and good on gas.
4 wheels and good on gas. I like that he's looking for something cheap, but he's been at his job for 8 months, so getting to work is not an issue. Why not save up a few grand and get a cheap Honda? I've bought some great cars under $5,000, ones I wish I would have kept.
How about a Nissan Altima or maybe a Honda Accord? Does any of that sound good to you?
That definitely sounds good. Civic, Toyota Corolla, it doesn't matter.
Okay, we have plenty of those. So if you'd like to come by and check out your options, I can definitely show them to you and see what we can do for you.
Yeah, that would be nice. The only problem is I just want to make sure I'll be good and have no credit. I'll be honest with you.
Well, the good news is that Champion Auto Sales works with many federal credit unions as well as banks and lenders that work with all types of credit, including bad ones. If you consider yours bad, I haven't seen it yet, but we do work with all different types of credit. So I'm sure we can get you into something the day you come in.
Even repos, I got repoed before I got locked up.
No credit in a repo, so he's going to get hit with a high interest rate on what's supposed to be a cheap car. Choosing to overpay instead of being patient and saving is never a good idea.
Well, I have had customers who have had a repo on their credit report and they still left with a car. It sounds like you have a steady job, a steady income. Banks and lenders love to see that. So when you come in, I ask that you bring the last 2 to 3 pay stubs as a proof of income so we can show the bank that you have your life on track and you're just trying to get to work in a regular meter type of vehicle.
All right, that sounds good. I'll be able to get there like Saturday.
All right, Saturday, and around what time?
I'll be there around 11.
11. Okay, it was nice talking to you. And get ready because Saturday you're going to be leaving with a new car. All right?
Okay, I got you. Thank you.
No problem. Have a great day.
I get quite a few comments from people telling me about the cars they've bought. Cheap, paid cash, and how great they've been. You can find a great, reliable vehicle without a car payment. It's the best decision, and you'll save a fortune.
This is a 2023 Land Rover Defender. We've had it for 6 months and for some reason we just can't sell the car. I like everything about it. It's sporty looking, it has height adjustable suspension, you have a panoramic roof, you have a bird's eye view camera that shows you everything when you go off-roading. I love the fact how the tires are mounted in the back and you have a swing out back door. What is there not to love about it?
They're known to be unreliable and expensive to fix. Telling potential customers that nobody wants to buy them is not a great sales strategy.
But for some reason we can't sell it. Is it the fact that it only has 2 doors? Is it the color? Is there something that we can change on the car that would make it more attractive? I think for $50,000, it's the cheapest car in the market. I would buy this over a Bronco because it has a lot more eyeball and it's a lot more exclusive too. Is it the perceived reliability that's keeping people away? Let us know in the comments.
Sticker price might seem reasonable, but it's the extra cost for maintenance and repairs. You have to budget for more frequent visits to your mechanic. I just had to include another clip about the 50-year mortgage. It doesn't seem to matter where you are. United States, Canada, UK, we all seem to have a housing crisis. This is an odd attempt at a solution to the problem, and I just can't see how something like this can work. Comments yesterday were against it. A few mentioned first-time homebuyers are going to be able to gain equity easier and move on to something else down the road, but they won't. Or it would be very little. You'll just be paying interest. I think he explained it really well. It doesn't solve the problem. It'll likely make things worse, and you'll end up paying a lot more. The good thing about it is it's only an option.